guys, it's rained and rained and rained. It's rainy season. Rain Saturday, Sunday, well, Saturday late, Sunday, Monday. Today, this morning, it was raining when I left. And now it's a muddy mess. But that's part of it in the Philippines. So it's now rainy season. You can see from the clouds everywhere are black and dark, and it's raining somewhere. If it ain't raining here, it's raining somewhere in the Philippines. That's just the way it is. So I got 3 of them out here working today. I don't know where the other. Where's Macho? Not here? Nobody else, just you 3? Okay. Okay, Patakala. Ariel. Patakala. They call him Patakala because he used the bathroom. While everybody's here, the big guy. Anyway, it's just a joke. Just a joke. So we got plenty of blocks put up so you guys can work, huh? About Bobot. He just send you over here? Is he drunk? No. No, he's just not here. He don't want to drive his motorcycle down here. You have to go around that way. By the lake over there. And then come up by that house. And you can get here. Yeah. Well, tomorrow it's supposed to be nice. Tomorrow. No rain tomorrow. Yeah. Maybe at nighttime. Maybe at dark. And anyway, looking good, looking good. You know, so everything's wet, guys, and they're coming right along though with they're gonna lay some block today, I guess. You gonna lay block today? You gonna lay block? Hollow block? Today? Okay. Maybe move some dirt. Maybe. There might be enough dirt laying around here to get my bedroom filled up back there, but I don't think so. Let's have another truckload. Anyway, guys, not much else to tell you except for we got 3 working here today. They're gonna lay some block and they're gonna work all day, I guess. They're making the mortar. Have you got water? You got enough water? No more. What are you gonna do? You gonna walk down there? Cause Macho go home and then bring the generator over here and the pump. He's afraid. He's afraid he's chicken. He's like a chicken. I'm here. He should be here. Anyway. He's scared like a chicken. Right? Maybe like a chicken. Well, I made it. He should be able to do it. Hey, Chicken Macho wasn't going to bring my generator or my pump over here, so now they have to crawl down in the lake over there and get water. Do it the hard way. You're going to have to do it the hard way. Cause it's chicken macho. I'm telling you tomorrow. Chicken macho done it. It's afraid. I'm gonna let you guys see this. See how they did that down in there? They plastered the walls with concrete. Now it's waterproof. But it didn't fill up no water in there.
Yeah.
So it must be still leaking. But it looks good anyway. So they might have to put some more plaster in there. Or more concrete in the bottom. You're gonna have to put more concrete in the bottom of it. Maybe this too much.
Yeah. More concrete?
Yeah. I think so. Maybe like that much, guys. Probably about that much more. Maybe that much in the bottom. Because we want to make sure it holds water for sure. I'll tell Bobot more so those guys, so Randall's down there getting water, and he's for our mortar. Instead of my generator and my pump being here, you know, so we had to blame Chicken Macho. Here's a chicken. Wonder where did they go to work somewhere else? Go work somewhere else? Macho? No. He just chicken. He take off today, huh? So there's my bedroom right there. Gotta get a lot more dirt in there. A lot more. So when it dries up, maybe next week sometime, we'll get some more dirt. These guys are gonna lay block today. Lay a couple lines of block. They'll get a little bit done. There's 3 of them here. There's no water in here. Well, a little, not much. Not much. Need a lot more. Should've. Well, at least it didn't get wet. That's a good thing. Jeffrey's out there fixing columns, putting more rebar in. He's gonna lay block from that back wall for that side wall that they haven't done yet, but it's okay. Everything looking good. Guys, I'm gonna make this a short video today because you know, I only got 3 people here, and it's just gonna be a slow day. And I think I'll hang out as long as I can unless it starts raining. Look how cloudy it is, guys. It's a rainy season, for sure. Rainy season, and it's liable to rain some more today. Tomorrow it's supposed to be nice, so it's supposed to be cleared up a little bit. So we'll see. We'll be here for you. You guys stay tuned, and I'll do a video every day I can. I'll come out here every day I can and do a video and make sure we record it all. You know, and when the house is done, I'll do a video of everything else. How much it costs and all that bullcrap. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Come back, see you soon. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll talk to you later.